Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Today, I'll be working on a 2007 Toyota Sienna. The customer have a complaint that when he leaves the battery on, it's usually drain. Usually drain the battery. So, and from my little observation, you can see it is locked. But yet, I can wind down the windows. I can put on the trafficator lights, which ought not to be. And another thing, even when the car is started, you can actually remove the key and the car is still running. See, the car is on and I can remove the ignition key. So those are the complaints he has. And when I open the fuse box, you can see that here, a lot of bypass on the road. So today we are going to diagnose the cause of the battery drain and to fix the window powering on and off. So please stay tuned.
I go with everything on the field.
So now, as regards the key, I want to first of all check to ensure that the ignition is properly. I want to take it apart so that I can get access to the ignition lock to confirm that actually the key can properly lock. Now we have taken out the cover for the steering column. Now we'll take this out. So with this, we can be able to see the ignition on and off and confirm that this steering, the key, the ignition lock, though is faulty, that does not affect the complete turn off of the car. So the part that is left is that of this key. So what I've decided to do is that I cut a new key. I cut a new key. With the new key, we'll see, because I believe that this ignition is not closing properly. So with this new key, I've not programmed this yet. Okay, sorry. So with this new key, I'm going to program a new key. One thing I discovered that if you look at this key, is worn out, so it can actually go out. So I have to cut a new key. I have to get the code and cut a new key with the code. So with this new key, see, it doesn't go out. It doesn't go out. So what is left for me now is to program this key so that I can start the car. Currently this key cannot start the car. You can see the immobilizer light is blinking. So I will need to program this key. To program the key, we'll be using OBD Star Keymaster. So this is the key to be programmed. This is the master key that is currently working. Into vehicle, immobilizer, Toyota. This is an ID46 chip. So we go to ID46 chip. Program key. Insert master key to the ignition. I press enter. Switch off and remove the key within 20 seconds. Insert the new key with the ignition. Switch off. Press enter. So we'll wait while we watch the immobilizer light. It's supposed to take like 60 seconds. The system is configuring. So program success. There's no immobilizer light showing on the dash. So take out the key. Now the immobilizer light is not showing. Start the car. Please like, subscribe. Please comment, like, share, subscribe to my video and hit on the notification bell to receive more quality content on key programming auto diagnosis. Now to further show you that the fault we have earlier on is no longer working there. You can see the window does no longer go down or come up like it used to do before. So this has fixed the problem for this car. This is Toyota Sienna 2007 model. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe to my video, and hit on the notification bell. Thank you.